What's up, beard trimmers? I'm DaveWeLike, and welcome to this video of the Braun Series 7 electric razor. So let's go ahead and unbox it and walk you through all the various items in here, as well as show off whether or not it works. So it's actually a nice box overall with a lot of different items and pictures and things and features and marketing terms for us to understand that we will not fully walk through. But generally in the box you'll get the travel case, in which that includes the electric razor itself. Now we're taking out the cleaning stand as well as the charger for both the cleaning stand as well as the electric razor. This is the container that has all the fluid in it, and we'll put at the bottom of the cleaning stand. There's different level beard trimmer sizes. There's 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7 millimeter. I mean, as you can see, the electric razor itself is really nice. It's got a good stylized color to it of black and some chrome. And then you can see as I turn it on that there's a nice little LED indicator of the battery level. And then you can lock the electric razor, so if you're traveling around with it, it doesn't accidentally turn on in your bag. And then it's really easy to go ahead and snap on and off the blades and swap them out with, like, for example, the beard trimmers if we wanted to. And then once again, this is, the angle in which you plug in the electric razor to the cleaning stand and how you plug the charger into the electric razor. One of the reasons why I went with the Series 7 is because of this particular feature, the 360-degree flex system, which basically allows the head to go ahead and tilt around every angle of your face. And what I do like about the battery as well is that, say that the battery is dead, you could go ahead and quick charge it in 5 minutes to get a quick shave. All right, so here's another magical shirtless video of Dave. Again, if you shave and get your beard hair all over your shirt, it's just a pain to get out, so it's just easier to go shirtless. As you can see here, I've tried just showing you, if you use the electric razor at first when your beard hair is very long, it doesn't exactly work all that well. You're gonna have to cut it down with the beard trimmer itself, and in this particular instance I'm slapping on I believe it's a 1 millimeter shell. And you can see that does a much better job at getting rid of the length of hair that I currently have here. And then, okay, now I'm snapping on the electric razor to try and get it close down to my skin, in which I do find that I have to go back and forth a good amount of time. It's not going to just, be a one stroke and done sort of deal. You got to go back and forth over and over and over. With the flex system, there's still areas that are hard to get, like underneath the chin and the Adam's apple. So it's something where you're just going to have to figure out a system that works for you. So I had to use a non-electric razor to go ahead and get rid of those, few sections. Again, the Adam's apple kind of sticking out with a couple hairs that the beard trimmer just simply didn't get. Overall, this particular portion of the video took 13 minutes for me to do, of the actual shaving part. So that seems like a kind of a long and a lot of systems and devices to be using just to clean off your face of your beard hair. It does give a nice feeling afterwards where you feel your skin feels very smooth, even though I did it completely dry. Had no, water nor shaving cream used. So it was really kind of a nice feeling to have. But again, look-wise, I mean, that's where I struggled. I don't know what I did necessarily wrong and still had all this sort of stubble everywhere. But I was able to go ahead and clean it all up with the non-electric razor. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the Braun Series 7, let me know in the comments section below, as well as hit that subscribe button for more of my videos coming soon.